Welcome. In front of me is a JBL Clip 5 and I'll go over unboxing along with a quick look at the speaker itself. I open it up, let's just talk about the couple of features that are listed right on the box. So number one, we have Bluetooth 5.3, which is really good. That will increase your battery life and also the stability of the connectivity itself. And then on the other side, we have the info about the battery life, which apparently we get about 12 hours of playtime on this speaker, which is really good. Now popping it open, we do have a bit of a pull tab right here at the bottom. So yoinking that off, can now, there we go, pop it open. And here we have the speaker. It's a little bit bigger than I actually expected. I thought that it's going to be a bit more compact. Maybe because the image kind of is smaller. But in any case, there's our speaker with the camo color. Where did the speaker go? Haha. Anyway, so yeah, camo color basically, or finish, however you want to call it. And then we do have a bit of a clip right here happening. It's fairly firm, so it won't be just like wiggling itself open or anything like that. The spring behind it is pretty decent. Then on the other side, at the back, we do have rubberized finish, so you can just kind of like place it somewhere, so it doesn't just rattle around when it's playing music, so that's good. We also have a couple buttons right here for volume and playback control, so volume up, down, and obviously play and pause. And then on the side, we have power button, the Bluetooth connectivity, and I still don't know what this button actually is. And then at the bottom, we have our Type-C charging port. So there we go, that's basically everything. Now I am gonna quickly try to connect it, assuming I can do that relatively quickly. So let's boot it up. Okay, there we go, it's booting up, and now let's put it in pairing. I get the pop-up about the JBL Extreme, so that's not it. Yep, get rid of that. Oh, there we go, we got another pop-up with the clip, so I'm gonna connect. It also gives me the option to download the app. Yeah, no thanks. Still pairing. Pairing and paired. Okay, so let's play some Crab Rave. Yeah, I guess that's good enough. And for a portable speaker that you can just clip to your backpack or whatever, on the go, it actually seems to be playing okay-ishly. I can't really complain much about this. So yeah, it does get loud. Like this wasn't even, I believe, half the volume. So I don't know how much more it has on the speaker, but right now the volume is separated. So I have basically separate volume for the speaker itself and separate for my phone. If you basically connect both of them, you can kind of, you know, reach max volume quicker and maybe gauge a bit more on what is half point, a bit better. But usually I believe speakers come out like half volume already, and on my phone I was above half. So yeah, this the speaker could still push a little bit more sound. I don't want to push it too hard. Obviously this is not designed for like super loud playing. At that point it's most likely going to get distorted at like higher volumes, as the speaker itself is relatively small. Obviously, like this is my palm, so you know, you're not dealing here with a massive like speaker. So also probably pushing like higher volumes will most certainly distort this. Now anyway, with that being said, this would conclude the look at the speaker itself. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.